This purse does not belong to you. This purse belongs to the store. I watched you take this off the shelf and tear the tags off.
And I'm trying to get,
I told you to stop.
What the f is you doing that for? You sitting up here, no you not.
On August 18, 2022, in Florida, an officer was working extra duty at Walmart when he spotted something on the security cameras, a woman selecting a purse, removing the price tag, and stuffing merchandise inside before walking out without paying.
Excuse me, ma'am. You come back inside the store for me? Bring your card. Bring your card. Come back inside the store. I don't want to embarrass you in the parking lot.
You're not going to embarrass me.
Bring your card. Come back inside the store, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
I done did all of this, and you done seen all of that.
Bring your card inside the store, please.
I'm coming inside the store.
Now.
I am coming now. Because I don't know what you're looking for. What are you looking for?
You can go back to this door right here.
This?
Ma'am, push the cart inside the store.
I'm putting my card inside the store before I snap. Oh, wow.
All right, go ahead and put your card up over here for me.
He tells her he doesn't want to embarrass her in the parking lot, which shows he's trying to handle this discreetly. She initially complies, but then her tone shifts fast. That's the first red flag. She's already defensive, already agitated, and the officer hasn't even explained why he stopped her yet. This is a critical tell in these encounters. When someone goes from cooperative to combative in seconds, it usually means they know exactly why they're being stopped.
Okay, so what are y'all talking about? What is it? Because it's two trains.
Do you have an ID on you?
No, but I can tell you my name.
So let's stop right now, okay? I'm stopping you for shoplifting. If you want to leave out of here, you're going to change your attitude. Stop. If you want to leave out of here, you're going to change your attitude.
Okay.
If not, I'll just take you to the county because I really don't care.
I don't go to jail.
You don't? Because you can't today.
What I'm telling you is I don't go to jail. I don't have a record. But what I'm
Right, but what I'm telling you is today you can make your way to the county.
The officer tries to give her an out here. He's offering her a choice, but she's not hearing it. She keeps insisting she doesn't have a record, like that's somehow going to erase what the officer watched on camera.
What did I make?
Number one is this purse and also the clothes in this cart that you bagged up at the register. So let's change the tone. Okay?
Let me tell y'all something. I scanned my motherfucking pennies. And there's an employee here that motherfucking seen it. If you think I shoplifted my pennies, they're $3. I done set up there and find all of that. That's why exactly I don't come here. Do not come to this Walmart because y'all be on bullshit. If that's the case, you could have easily said.
Okay, first of all, stop. Stop all that. Back away from the cart, ma'am. Back away from the cart.
I'm backing away, giving you.
Where's your receipt at?
My receipt is right here.
Okay, give me your receipt.
Because I have 2 transactions.
Okay, excellent.
Vanity starts flying, and she's throwing out this scattershot defense, talking about pennies, panties, employees who supposedly saw her scan everything. This is classic deflection. When people are caught, they flood the conversation with irrelevant details to confuse the situation.
There's that, Miss Daisy.
Okay.
This purse does not belong to you. This purse belongs to the store. I watched you take this off the shelf and tear the tags off. These do not belong to you. This does not belong to you. I watched you put this inside the purse. Please don't grab any of the stolen merchandise. Please don't grab anything out of the purse, okay?
Okay, go ahead. You got that? Thank you. I can go into my wallet.
No, you cannot. Not right now.
What do you mean?
Because I've stopped you for a lawful reason. No, you cannot go into your wallet. I don't know what's inside your wallet. Please step over here, okay?
Okay, that's it.
Miss Daisy, I'm gonna walk her down to the office and then we'll come.
Can you just tell her to
walk this way for me, please?
My money back on my card?
Hold this for
Walk this way for me, please.
Can you put my money back on my
walk
card
this way. You'll get this in a second. Walk this way.
I would tell y'all.
All this is stand here. Let's walk this way.
I don't want it.
Ma'am, leave everything in the car and walk this way.
$300 for all my stuff.
Walk this way.
Please don't be aggressive.
Walk this way.
Please don't be aggressive.
Pay attention to what I'm telling you then.
I am paying attention to what
Please walk this way.
That's frustrating.
The problem is she's not listening. She's arguing, deflecting, and resisting every single instruction.
You talking about what you saw, what you watched. Okay, you got what you wanted. Let it go. Because everything else I paid for. I have never
Been called?
into
Excellent.
No, not been called. You being sarcastic.
Yes, I am. Glad you picked up on it. Step inside. You're going to have a seat over here on this bench. Step inside, have a seat on the bench. Step inside, have a seat on the bench. I'm only going to tell you one more time. Step inside, have a seat on the bench.
I'm going to step inside and you're going to let me out. I'm going to step inside. She got what she wanted. And that's the case. Here go my food stamp card. Give me back all my money on them. And I will leave. I will simply leave. I don't want shit from Walmart. I'll go to Walmart on 441. Period. I'm not writing down. I'm not going to have my name leaked.
Have a seat.
Nothing because I ain't do shit.
Have a seat. No, you're going to have a seat.
He keeps offering to pay for the items as if that erases the theft. But shoplifting isn't about whether you can afford to pay. It's about the act of taking something without paying. You can't just get caught, offer to pay, and walk away. That would make every theft a zero consequence event.
Have a seat.
Nothing because I ain't do shit.
Have a seat. No, you're going to have a seat.
Can you please refund my money? So everything left in your card and nothing was taken out your store. You good?
Running those two receipts. Are you able to see what?
Ma'am, have a seat.
I'm sorry, I'm ready to go.
You're not going anywhere right now.
And I'm tired. What is this? You need to communicate.
I've already told you what you've been stopped for.
Okay, you said shoplifting with the purse and you didn't pay for your pennies.
That's correct.
And I paid for everything else.
My soda by my
Okay, that's fine. So they're going to go through the cart.
So you want me to pay for the pennies, swipe my card.
I said put it
go
by
ahead
my
and go ahead and just refund me my money back and I'll go somewhere else. It's simple. It's common sense.
That's why usually people come in and they pay for the stuff and they get to leave.
I pay for my stuff, sir. Don't come at me like this because I'm not a thief. I don't have a record being a thief.
Okay, but you got caught stealing today, right?
I got caught stealing today. Okay, if that justifies your situation, cool.
No, it justifies your situation, ma'am. No, it doesn't work that way.
What doesn't work that way?
You don't just get to leave.
Why do I not get to leave?
Because you're being stopped.
I'm being...
I don't understand why this is so hard for you to understand.
Where's my wallet?
I have your wallet.
This is a critical moment. She actually admits it. I got caught stealing today. That's a confession on camera. She says it sarcastically, dismissively, but legally it doesn't matter. She just verbally confirmed what the officer observed.
Okay, can I have my wallet?
No, you cannot.
Okay, you can keep that. I'll get something on it. Because what I want to do, don't bump me, ma'am, because I didn't do nothing
to stop and have a seat.
Okay, I am going to have a seat. Why are you being aggressive? Because you're hurting my arm.
I'm going to take you to the ground.
This is where everything falls apart. She's moving around, not complying, and the officer warns her he's about to take her to the ground. Notice he gives her clear advance warning, not once, but several times.
You're going to get put in cuffs.
For what?
Stop tensing up, or I'm going to take you to the ground. Turn around. Turn around.
This is some You do not have to put me in cuffs. I will comply and go sit my ass back down.
Turn around now.
And bump me again like that. And I'm trying to get,
I told you to stop.
What the f*** is you doing that for? You sitting up here, no you not. You not,
Turn over.
You not
Turn
finna
over
do
now.
That. You not finna sit up here and put me on my face and I'm a woman. You break something.
On the ground now. On the ground now.
What did you talk?
On the ground now.
You done made me
on the ground now.
Let go my arm like that.
On the ground now.
Oh my God.
On the ground now.
Instead of complying, she's arguing, accusing, and physically non-compliant. When she says, I will comply, her actions prove otherwise. Compliance isn't something you negotiate while fighting. It's something you do immediately when instructed. The officer takes her to the ground because she's leaving him no choice.
Call my motherfucking lawyer. Call my dad. Call my dad. I did not try to break no receipt. Get off me and I cannot breathe.
You'll be able to in just a second.
Get off me now.
Give me your other arm.
I'm gonna give you my other arm when you want something. Sir, get off me now. You don't lost your mind. What is your name? And you don't make my fucking flipper come out my fucking mouth. Move.
Stand up.
If I can, if you wait.
Stand up.
Damn. Okay,
Stand
give
up.
me a second. Bitch, you done made me hit my face.
92268 West Palm Star Supervisor. Have a seat.
Notice the officer calls for a supervisor. Anytime there's significant resistance or allegations of misconduct, having a supervisor respond creates accountability and documentation.
She's sticking something in her mouth.
So two. Have a seat.
Mind your business.
Okay.
Tell me why I'm sticking something in my mouth. Broke my pinky.
Have a seat.
Give me my refund. Give me my refund so I can get out of here now. Because I got to go to work tomorrow. Give me my refund now. I'm done. Because the way you slapped me on my motherfucking face.
Have a seat.
Why you slapped me on my face? My
Have a
face
seat.
hurt.
Have a
My
seat.
face is killing me.
Have a seat now.
Don't bump my head.
Have a seat.
Don't bump my head.
Have a seat. Are you going back on the ground?
Don't not bump my
Have
head.
a seat.
You fucking aggressive, bro. To the wrong fucking people.
Stay seated.
I am seated.
And do not get up.
She's now in handcuffs but still hasn't accepted reality. You can see the immediate crisis is over, but she's keeping the conflict alive through verbal hostility. Every word she says now is being recorded and can potentially be used against her in court.
Alright. Uncuff me then. You ain't even supposed to handle a woman like that.
Wait, how are you?
I'm good.
Good?
Yeah.
Good, man.
Yeah. Refusing to comply.
Okay.
No, it's not.
Trying to put her in cuffs. Wanted to keep pulling away.
Okay.
Tried to walk out of the office.
You
So-
body slammed me. You stood up there and do it to my arm.
Can you take a deep breath? What are you gonna do?
We're good. We're good.
Hey,
Have a seat.
I'm hyperventilating.
Have a
Give me
seat.
a moment.
Over here. Again. Have a seat.
You see what I mean?
Have a seat.
sit down. You
I am
just
sitting.
Sit down.
Just sit.
You are not free to do what you want to do.
Okay.
The backup officer now has first-hand context for why she's in handcuffs and why the situation escalated. She's still demanding to be uncuffed, still questioning why a woman should be handled like that, but officer safety and legal protocol don't change based on gender.
I'm not doing what I want to do. Like I said, give me my shit, and y'all can give me back my $375 I spent, and I'm gonna get the up out of here. Got my penny and a purse. That's not even no petty theft. I've never been arrested for anything. Now get this shit up off me. He got this cuff in my hand, and I swear for God, I will call my daddy that's a lawyer, and you will regret it.
Take a seat, man.
Sit down.
She claims her dad's a lawyer, and she's going to make them regret this. But even if her father is a lawyer, that doesn't change the fact that she was caught on camera shoplifting and then physically resisted. She keeps insisting the amount stolen doesn't matter, but Florida law defines petit theft as anything under $750.
Y'all let me have it and get that.
15th Division, Norville.
Take your card, give me my money back. I'll go somewhere else. Take my card, give me my money back. Straight up. Because what you're not finna do is manhandle me and act like I'm not gonna do shit about it. Because if you was my man, I'll slap you dead in your shit. And I'll drag her. So I'm telling you right now, you can sit there and you can pose if you want to. So if I cut up and I act a fool, it's on you.
No, it's on you.
It ain't on me.
No, it is.
Because I asked politely to unloosen my cuff.
The cuffs are all right, man.
To unloosen my... how?
What you mean, how?
Do you see this?
They're not
Do
made
you
for-
see that it's eating me?
I can't
Do you
see
see
it.
that I got red marks?
Nah, I can't. I don't see it. Your shirt over.
Okay.
Your shirt over.
And then my shirt is my jacket because he slammed me in my face.
Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this breakdown insightful, hit that like button and subscribe for more real-world encounters broken down step by step. Let's keep the conversation going.